Luna Park in Sydney is one of dozens of Luna Parks named after the original on Coney Island in New York. It's probably fair to say that amusement parks like Luna Park are looking a bit old fashioned, but in the 1930s they were in their heyday. Back then, Sydney had a network of trams. Luna Park wanted to advertise on those trams. They entered into a contract with Tramways advertising, which included the following term: "We guarantee that these boards will be on the tracks at least 8 hours per day throughout your season." This never happened, and it was an unrealistic promise because the trams were required to be serviced and maintained, and no tram could be guaranteed to be on the rails 8 hours a day, every day. Tramways advertising argued that the contract meant that the advertising boards would be on the rails for an average of 8 hours a day. After a period of dispute with no resolution, Luna Park terminated the contract, even though it still had some time left to run. Tramways advertising refused to accept the termination. They continued to carry the advertising and continued to send bills to Luna Park. It ended up in the High Court. The court quickly decided that Tramways had breached the contract because the provision said nothing about averages. The question then was whether this breach was the breach of a condition which allows the innocent party to terminate the contract, or whether it was merely the breach of a warranty which would entitle them to damages. Chief Justice Latham said it was a term of the contract which went so directly to the substance of the contract, or was so essential to its very nature, that its non-performance may fairly be considered by the other party as a substantial failure to perform the contract at all. The breach of such a term by one party entitles the other party not only to obtain damages, but also to refuse to perform any of the obligations resting upon him. As a result, the court confirmed that a provision is a condition if its non-performance has the effect that there might as well not have been a contract between the parties at all. And the breach of such a condition allows the innocent party to terminate the contract without performing any further promises.